Hi guys, it's Mokobe here. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to downgrade your Vidiq account from a boost version to a free version. Let's get into the video. So guys, the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to log into your Vidiq account. So I'll click here. Once I'm there, I'm going to click on keywords. So after which I'll scroll down and click on what? Account settings. So once I get there, it's going to take me to their dashboard, where I'll simply click on what? Plan. After which I'm going to see beginner, downgrade to beginner. So I'll simply click on it. So after that, you can see, are you sure you want to cancel this? So if you cancel this, you are going to lose all your premium features. So I'm going to click on what? Continue to cancellation. So let me just say, yep, it was downgraded to this. Cancel. Yep, cancel subscription. So I'm going to disable my plan. Sorry, so tell us why you are canceling your account so that we can improve. I will just say, yep, the first one. So after that, I'll click on continue to cancellation. So guys, that's it. So I'm going to click on what? Okay. So guys, we just downgraded our Vidiq account. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.
One of us seems to circle the other. As you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left.